What's up, my people? Welcome back to the channel. So, in a Starbucks again, my people. You see me? So, I couldn't wait to go to that one. So, I feel in a Starbucks I do that one. I don't know, say, all heap of nice make more while, like, when them a serve in a Starbucks. So, here I go, my people. This is the morning after the vibes up a Jabbas Club. And TT and Shanel and Dragga sleeping at the same room with people, and it look like there's something going on. But me I go left Annie fi tell it, me I go left the Lion Man fi tell it, and me I go left TT and Shanel fi tell it. Seeing Pretti Dan send a message to Fabi, you see me, pertaining to taking back the Lion Man and stuff like that. So we are gonna get in that, my people. Also we have Zozo and Fabi. You see me, Fabi talk about people giving the Lion Man certain information about her and she don't like that. So make we kick it off, my people. These are the things me have to share. Maybe add more things to it, so we could get in it.
Things like that, Fabi. Take that and walk. You know, how say go? Go on, girl. Go do like me, go get therapy. When me did see for me pussy in a WhatsApp group, I was hurt. I was hurt when me see me I get fuck. Per video, the amount of pitch it look like I want catalog. It look like if you me own a playboy with me own a pussy where me never put on the internet. You see me? So you see one time that being said, Fabi don't make nobody blood clot violate you. You hear me? Them they sitting there no love nobody. Will love you, not do them they sitting there. We wouldn't even see them their drawers. We don't even know if that is your drawers. We don't know. So you see one time, you see things like that, walk with grace, man. Walk with grace. What you think me do? You think me go down there go box down mama? Kick down mama? For me a blood clot idiot. Me go ball. Me take up myself and go ball and lead dog in my house and shut the fuck down. You hear me? When me see the pussy all about the place, me go in my house go ball. Me ball. What the fuck you want me tell you? Say, I did go down there go kick him down and tap in him pussy. No. Me take me shame and ball and move up my blood clot. Go sit down dirty Dan. That you forget drunk. I feel your pussy embrace it. I hear pussy embrace it. All me do, me glad say she put out me video. Me glad say she put out me picture to them. You know why? At least she have peace. Fabi make them have them peace, Fabi. Fabi put out your blood clot draws and this. Make him have peace. Him have peace now. Don't go back around him. That was the peace he needed. He needed to put out your draws. He needed to drag you down. Let him do that. Let him do that. He will not be blood clot better than that. The person where you know, Fabi, that's still the same person. Nothing has changed about him. Oh, you mean that low of anybody? Once you have somebody out of a relationship, bro, all of we when we are left with one another, we say the nasty sting them out of our mouth about one another, right? Because something my mother just come off of your life, you're not there. You don't have to be here, you can leave. When we are cuss bring dirty word. Cuss bring dirty word. When we are dirty stinking suck pussy boy, are you man, you know? Nasty stinking mama's boy. Drunk or nasty boy, stink like shit. Remember you lick out my body hole. No go so. Cuss bring nasty word. But when time you are go as far as if you want put out your spouse where you did there with. All if I did, you did there with this somebody. Fabi, you can't go back there, sir. Fabi, you no need to go back there, sir. Fabi, you no need to deal with nobody who hate you. Fabi, you no need to deal with anybody at all who hate you. You see people who hate you, them show you. Them hate you in a real life. You no need to do that, some girl. You need to love that. So you know, make nobody come tell you, oh, I made a mistake. And mistake, I went and you write in your school book and you write one A, the wrong way. And you have to cross out that spell out one word one wrong way. That's a mistake. That's a hatred. I hate you. And you're such a nice little girl, so I wonder now. Me say, let me see if Fabi gonna fall for this abate. You're a good girl. Keep that in mind, say me hate you. and him do the worst things. What him do, can't undo. Don't make nobody who say them love you hurt you like that and then use love to dry up your tears. No, baby. Because love is a complex thing, you know. If you love somebody, there are certain things you cannot do to them. Me love you certain way, me can't put out your pussy on the internet. Me love you certain way, nobody can see me and fuck you. Them look a style, bro. You see me? To this day, nobody can come tell and say, yo, you don't say, Dan show me him, I fuck that girl there, that girl there. Never yet in my life, bro. Me not gonna do that to no blood clot body. Me not gonna do that to nobody. Me not gonna send no video to nobody phone with me and fuck nobody daughter. With me and do them they sitting there. Me not gonna do that. You see me? I cannot do that. Because them they sitting there wickedness, brother. You see me? And one time me see enough things that Jayden did do to Fabi. You can't come tell a girl say you love her now. Very all boy, big up yourself in a fam. Love and love alone, man. Have a save one I heard today, you know? Yeah, man. Love no hurt you none at all. And nobody will love you now, do that. Nobody will love you, now put out no picture and video with you. You hear that, Fabi? Nobody will love you, not going to put out pictures and video with you to bring you down. No matter how them say, oh, yo, we love you, you know, yo. Love, not do certain things. Just like when my therapist tell me, Fabi, you see, if someone love you, they are not capable of doing you certain things. Me, I tell you that. When somebody truly love you, they are incapable of hurt. They can't do it. It hurt them to their fucking soul if they try to hurt you. They rather go hug up on pillar and ball. So when you see somebody who hate you, believe them. I hate you if you put out your video them like that. If you put out blood clot picture with draws and this and that. I hatred that. Bitterness. Bitterness. So now when I help him go get back no gift, make him stand by himself. Make him stand by himself, youth. Him not know nothing about love. Our man when not know him father and him mother. Him grew up without love. Him don't know what is love. That the boy they prove it to you many different times. Say him don't know what is love. He does it. And him show you a man like that, him have to go get hours and hours. Him have to need years of fucking therapy. Him want back give so yes, he want back the power couple. So yeah, would you did that when you put out the girl draws and I put out video with the girl and them nastiness there. All of them sitting there could have got jail for Jayden. All of them. Me I tell you.
Alright people, as I say, I want to tell me what you think in the comment section about Fabi's situation. You see me, because as me I said, the only reason me who don't want to see them back together is just because I don't feel like say the lion man him ready for settle down yet. Him have a little more problem in him first before him settle down. That's just my opinion still, you know, because I'm not sure, right? When it come to like Fabi, you know, me not sure say Fabi really want one man to settle down with. So the two of them thing, it not really add up to me. You see me? It can look bad on paper still, you know, because the lion man and Fabi situation look bad on paper. Fabi don't show, we not sure if she want a man if it deal with right out, you see me I say, and then the lion man we don't feel like him ready to settle down yet, so it look bad on paper, but you don't know where them have inside of them, cause that it's just like if the two of them love each other, love conquers all. You see me I say, and them willing to try, and we outside we don't know say boy yo them need each other. You understand what I say? But let me know what you think, my people, because we can think one way and it's the next way. Simple.
Me say, yo, one thing me I gotta tell you about this, you know. You see, this thing, in a love what we have there, bro, no careful, you hear me I tell you now? una have to careful. And me I tell on straight. You see, sometime in a life when I have some people around, you know, wanna deal with dog, them hate on. You understand me? Them hate on like poison. You understand me? I'm not talking about me. I'm not talking about Fabi. Me get my fair share. You see me? You understand me? Because one woman with me married to and dealt with for years, she are the only blood clot person ever put out video with me and have sex, pictures with me underneath and all of that. That our woman when me did trust you, fuck, bro. No matter what cuss did go on between me and that the catty there, bro. Mother never did ever do nothing like that to her, me general. You see me? I went and me see all Jayden do that to Fabi. Tell you one thing, bro. Some of them people who lie down side I hate we in a real life, me general. You understand me? They hate we like poison. We need to not there around them. I want to watch yourself to not just Fabi, not just me, all the way. So my time I want to take the local thing, they want to see people, I want to deal with do no, and say, yo, take it as a grain of salt. I know so them people I hate on it true and a rate on it true, bro. You see me? So in a life, bro, always know, don't make none of them people I want to deal with insult on a bro.
I'm not understand the someone who will comment on your life for me. I'm not going to do gift. I'm not going to do gift.
Bro, I know what, bro.
Yeah, because that don't work fine now. That don't is also doing, you know. Yeah. But me I tell you now. Yeah, man, me I tell you, man.
Bro.
I don't know, joking.
Just leave me alone, man. Just leave me alone. Wait till I understand something. I don't want to deal with you.
Them style a good style. Them style a good style. I get what me I say, Tommy. Them style is not good style. Some people not gonna like what me say still in a baby sweet. Baby sweet, some people not gonna like what me I say. But that was part of life, baby sweet. And marvelous. And Miss Hines. Some people not gonna like what me I say. You see me sparkles? You can't see people coming in your business place. You don't know what we are doing out there. Are people me troll upon the media then? Are people me disrespect upon the media? Yeah, only if a boy me take down off our media. Who to tell? One of them no act for me and bad mind me right now. Who to tell?
What do you mean by if Diddy come there, bro? Where do you mean?
Who to tell? Are people me troll? Who to tell somebody that can hate to me right now?
Drive me down, you know?
Ask their sister with their road. I quickest they want to get to it.
No.
I quickest they want to come start a fight.
You know what hurt me, brother? You know
right now, me I tell you so we can there.
You know what hurt me, brother? Una tell him which part me I go. Una tell him which part me I go, brother. Them one of them things that some make a joke thing. I don't feel like say some joke thing, you know. Una tell him some oh, she gone on the road and do her nails. She gonna do this, she gonna do that, she gonna do this, she gonna do that. I don't know if me link behind the scenes, man. I don't know. I don't know if me link behind the scenes. Bro, I'm just sick and tired of them something, brother. And my own team vex people, them. My own team vex people, them not gone over there gonna tell him, say, she gone on the road, she go on the road, she do this, she do that. I'm like that bitch, yeah, boso. But suck a wood girl, boso.
Clear up here.
Oh, Alright, later.
You want to play one more?
If you want.
Oh, because I raise him and I raise him still enough for because then thing I well serious enough for you see me?
Bro, it's serious in a dog. Bro, where they me a drive on the toll and the man drive me down in a dog. The man drive me down, me have to pull over, you know? Bro, China know me have to go China, dog. You know, understand. And the people them gone over him live and I tell him say, she gone up on the road.
I believe you, man. Alright, look almost imagine, alright. Imagine now if you never can, alright, so for instance, then you know about it pre if it's alright, then you go top. You couldn't care, go right here off and kill you.
Bro,
you go run up in our next vehicle.
No, I'm telling you something. So upon the toll, remember say upon the toll, me a driving. You know people drive hard upon the toll.
So me know a toll time. Me have
to slow down. Me have to slow down and pull over. Cause you know, me don't want him drive. Me don't want him.
Elise, yeah, come off fire upon the toll. You can find out 2 blood clot around the race a come up. And you know see what go on. And by the time you take a eye and look so, I don't want to crown them head on. And you go say, you're salt. When you're not salt, you're salt. You should have look out the AI. But you, somebody, the inner your backbone, you have to focus on what they go on behind you or beside you. Because I can't him the driver down. I can't thief the driver down too. But you know I go Fabi. And you know me not cap. Me not chat fuckery.
Bro, man, say me have a pull over, brother. And so me pull over, dog. And come here and say, you know what, I don't want to hear me say. And man, they're not talking, they're not talking, but say. And I tell people them on the live, but say, oh yeah, every time I talk, she laugh. And every time I this, she laugh. And every time I this, she laugh.
People, so them people, you know. Boy, I want a few good people that on the live have understanding, you know. Some of them only want the drama, you see me?
I drama them like, man. I drama and entertainment. Let me tell you something. And the drama, and I still, him know him like, he feel like him have control over me. But you know, oh God, we just want to see her in person, brother, because she can't tell me no. She not gonna tell me no, bro. Anytime I see her in person, bro, she not gonna tell me no, bro. You soon have me like it, yeah? You soon have me like it.
They're gonna something up on the trip with the chat, car. They're gonna something in the chat, car. I want to buy my wedding ring now, you know. I want to buy my wedding ring, car. Me and Brittany now go through certain stuff in the chat, so I want to beg your support there. I want to buy the ring, chat. Come in, chat. Focus on shoot, chat. Shoot! I want somebody alone over here can shoot.
Well, my people, them can't give a location so easily to people still, you know. If I the lion man personal, they will give the, you know what I mean, personally they will give the location, well that different, but if they will give it out publicly, that no good, you know what I mean, because for them, you can say them a celebrity right now, so people, you know what I mean, we follow them up on them way there, you know what people can do, because the world is crazy, it's a crazy world we live in right now, so you know what people can do, and all the people them we are follow you know, Fabi, this more I know, all the people them we are follow you know say you go certain places if you can tell the lion man. I used to be blamed then, because the people them we are follow you in your immediate circle, oh them fear. Unless somebody in your immediate circle or what, I give them the information there. And to the lion man, them say if you love something and if you think it's meant for you, you should let it go, and if it come back to you, well I hear one. So let go Fabi me G and find somebody else. You have about 3 crown right now. You know how much you can drive up a 1 crown, you know what I mean, upon a girl, from you wind down your window and then see the lion man, you're gone. You don't need to run back and no girl. You name lion man, you know, man, and you name good youth, you know, man. You run off TikTok from about a year now, you know, or almost a year now, you know. So you know, say, you can get any girl you want, better girl than Fabi. But sometimes the arts want what the art want. But if we are hold on pan move away from you, it will hurt you. So find somebody else and allow the people them girl.
No more top girl no there. No top girl no there will drive crown.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. British are that you worry about.
Man, bro.
For that you worry about, man. God now gonna make your prayer come true and he now gonna make your wish come true.
Bro, I tell you, bro, I don't know why I feel like...
I have to block you from my life, bro. I have to block you from my life. My woman, go left me.
See already, you know, brother, the man try to turn the media against me, you know, dog. I mean, I say, I want to know, say, I first said to him, say, I want to know, say, him man of God. If anything with God want for me, I still gonna get it. But you know why I feel like, say, because I'm turning people them against me, God now gonna send another way for bless me and them could something, you know. I don't know why I feel like something not gonna reach now with, yo. I don't know what. I don't know. Why? Bro, I just want to stop telling which family, brother. I just want to stop telling which family I'm a good. Hold on. I just want to stop telling which family. Me and I go do my nails. Somebody in the chat at them said she gonna do her nails.
Believe, man. I know what I want them on my Dragga, man. I write pre-mens that to you, see me?
But, that look good to you?
Believe, man. What's on man? I go there upon the live, me there look a bit, man. So me make you know what I go and look for this here. Alright then, my brother. I get no name.
Bro, I don't know the half of me, I forgot you. No. I don't know the half, man.
Alright then. That is it, alright? Alright.
People are control my brain. So me go see, if someone take out a restraining order, you know, me go see if people are control my brain.
Alright, but they up on the line, yeah?
Me go see if I know me want this to myself, or people are control my brain. Yeah?
I'm gonna tell you what.
What that me go do? Me go take out a restraining order. Them can't come fucking around me. Blood clot. Him just, yo. Somebody just nag you.
Fabi. You can't add somebody for me, Fabi, and none more play one match. Me don't know why I can't add the woman. In name Fiesta. You can't add her for me.
Which woman that? The British woman?
British woman, a Fiesta account name.
Yeah, we can add her.
Yeah, add him for me, please.
Make sure to send a request.
I'm looking at me can see her. But in a show me no way for add her still, you know. In a show me no way for add her, I don't know why, I don't know. And he add me with you know. Give me an option for that. Yeah, see her Fiesty. Fiesty. You see her?
No, I'm not see her. How much people she have over there? If she have only people over there, she have come up.
Yeah, man, she have people.
It up. I know me if you bust it up, me not lie. I know me if you bust it up, you have to stay tuned. You have to stay. Alright, so come on, measure. Alright, hold on there. Let me just show you something. Just show you. Honestly, chat, I can't spell that. I can't spell that, so Never go. Never go ask Shanel to spell it for me. Me no say now watch my live, you know. Yeah, man, me no say now watch my live. Make it, yo, man. Me have vibe, me a black, because me you not. No, me you not.
So my people, this is the morning after. You see me I say, and it look like say Dragga take down the two of them, TT and Shanel, and that me been a say, you know, Dragga fi try lock the two of them, you know. You see me I say, that me been a say, yo, Dragga fi try lock the two of them, because none of them now left. If you know, at least me can see with the matey no one left, because she's supposed to know say, yo, the man have a woman when she a get with him, but the wife you know one left either. So you know say genuine love the right there. So on a level, if two of them now left, instead of you go back and forth seeing, and then like say them are left and come back, them now left none at all. Whenever for them time them dead it. You see what I say? Try lock the two of them then, because the two of them now left. That means that you can lock the two of them and have the two of them for yourself. Simple as that. You know what I mean? And that go on with people. That go on it look like. I mean I say that go on like me did it. But me I go make you see what go on. Make you watch some more with any of my people.
Please, Shanel. What is? That's your wheel. That's your wheel last night. Yo, girl, we're a pizza. Yo. Come out, man. Come out. Shanel, we heard this last night. Oh shoot. You know when you fast you go get fucking life. Come on, that people them. Come on. Oh shoot. You don't say how to say to me about somebody like that. What you wear to that more information. TT, watch. Guys. So TT, how was your night? Everybody said to walk around and give an interview on everybody's night. Okay? So you enjoy yourself last night? And come back in lean. Yeah. Jesus Christ, how was your sleep? No disturbance. The sleep was fun? No disturbance? Would you do it again? Oh my God, would you trade it for the world? Like. Yeah. But, big up to oh my God. Hi. Young boy, you look tired, though. I'm not lying. You look. Oh, shit. Hello, Miss Shanel. Hi, beauty. I'm just hot. Oh, I smell gas over here, so. You're fast. No, man, yes, smell gas. But anyway, Shanel, how was your night? My night was great. You sleep well? Oh my God. I will make back your answer. No, I'm not allowed to ask shit. Shanel, every second I tell people say they mix up and you mix up more than we. No, you mix up more than we. So go on, you got that, but then you mix up and they mix up it. Of course, we let you go and bite your ass. You walk out your whole energy. Shanel, come fix the G-string. Come, girl. Come fix the G-string. Turn up. G-string. Now, fix that. Fix that up. Yeah. Shanel, no. Shanel, you cannot eat food we left in the car from last night. That's crazy. Shanel, come here. Don't do that, girl. The fuck are you? I can walk out with the car. Now it's in the fridge. When my food there? When my food in the car? I can walk in and get breakfast. Yeah. Guys, they call like them hungry, them energy beat out. Them energy beat out. Shanel, you have to cook breakfast, get the man. They want to come go in the kitchen and cook something for the man and get up. So when we food there, when we ask still there, I will go and bad in there anyway, ask still there. So after you and them, what I understand. No man, me I go ask some question, you know. Because I understand how comes you go say you know one empire, you know. So what are they? When I'm supposed to cook breakfast, get the man. So him for cook breakfast, go no? Yeah, no, where was he last night? Ask him. I understand. No man, this looks funny. Me I come up and see it back out. No, me I come here. No, hey, if you don't lock out that, hey, girl, what we do? What we do? Man, no, hello. Really? I saw that trick. What you? So I put it last night. So yeah, Shanel sleep together alone last night. Yeah, Shanel alone. Yeah, he sleep alone. Me bombo. No, that's for no, you know, that's your gas station. You come in between the tower last night, you're running. So you gotta tell me, say that they look at pieces anyway, they put on a fititi. Yes. Hey, I don't know, see that rub on the rub catches? Yeah. Oh, God. I'm in the wrong jagger. Only way Pat is sleep for you. So there's a jagger sleep? And it won't sleep over there, so? Oh, God. I'm sorry for you now. There's a little. Oh, jagger, come here. Oh, God. I'm going to go jagger. Jaga, come here go buy breakfast, yeah. Come here, me need to go buy breakfast. I mean go buy breakfast. Take care of it. I never call I keep walk we go get breakfast. I'm afraid say I'll come near you. You alright?
Alright my people, so when you think something go on, them a talk like nothing no go on still, you know. But do you think that them go on with themselves? Anything is possible still, you know, my people, because they will come from party and they under them liquor, so anything possible, you see me. But that mood I love to see still the three of them lucky in and also yo, this is the relationship. Too much, you know, in a Jamaica with the woman them want have a one man for themselves. I know all the things set with the man them short because man turn to man in a Jamaica right now. And the woman they enough for one man. So if one woman can hold up on two women, nothing wrong with that. We are change up the thing, you know. And that is no nastiness neither. You see me? So let me know what they think the people.
Back away from the man. No, move from here, man. So no, you know, easy. Call Shanel for your planning. Call Shanel for your planning. Yeah, call Caesar. Call Shanel for your plan. Where's the chat? Tell me. Call Shanel for going to give the platinum message.
Okay, run it, you can.
Yeah, man. Yeah, Shanel. Yeah. No, man, this is a TV show. This is a TV show, I swear to God. This is a TV show. Dragga. What's that? What me get the shot? It's violent. Morning. Oh, okay. Alright.
I get it drunk. So, last night was drunk. You come? Yes, of course. You come? Dragga said. You need one toothbrush to wash out the mouth. She just the rest of the dog. Yeah, same thing. Just come on through. You come. So early? What? Go on. I told you want go chat your fuckery. Which one?
People before I was a different. But I don't understand my mother to the mother.
Take off all that mother to them. And that me tell her, nah, yeah. Take them off.
They can't block people off your own and don't need no mother return.
Sure. They can't. Go visit her on your room.
Hello. Hello, Josephine. Guys.
No, we're going to... Night out. Shanel and TT then gang with the pussy club. TT then gang with be a pinch up and bite up and lick in her face. If you say just cool now, I jump. Not tell her I still like it. Here is the piece. Tell nobody, Tell nobody. Here is the piece. change every minute, sir. You confused? Yeah, I believe some of the bands in the sure. I saw enough of cool. I saw enough of cool. You don't have another room on the two on the can go in there. Go here, say alone. So enough of cool. Yeah, man, move out, please and thank you. I don't feel like somebody, I know I'm somebody. Vex for what? Who are you? What? I don't know who are you.
So people, you see, this is the morning after, and we not talk about no pill. You see me? The morning after. So when I see how them a go on, nobody can tell me say sit no go on. Spicy, something spicy no go on last night. But let me know what you think in the comment section with people. Tell me what you think. We're gonna watch some more.
Still friends, guys, I swear. Come guys, come, we'll catch up and go to this JCM.
Party open so tough, man. Yeah, I put in a microwave still and make it start.
Shanel. This is Shanel, guys. This is the wife. This is the wife. Jesus. And this is the wife, too, right?
Hey, my people, Dragga Affi go watch the little maga boy here, you know, and him woman, TT, you know. Yeah, man, Dragga Affi go watch him, man. More to look at how this youth here look at the man, woman, you know. Only just watch him and look at the man, woman backside. Right through. He can't take him here for one. You see me? Dragga Affi go ban him from coming out the family. From no one. You see me? Because even last night, in the video we share with you earlier on, you can see a beer whining with him and TT. You see me? So you start from somewhere. Once they get familiar with each other, ain't no telling what can go on. You see me? Let me know what you think, my people.
Breaking up with him?
I want this